Hello everyone, I'm Fabiola Vega from Nota and I'm so happy to be here for present you our new functionality, Ask Noota, your intelligent AI assistant. Think of it as ChatGPT, but train it in your company's meetings, documents and daily workflows. Let's discover it together. First, of course, you will need to log in into your Nota account and click on the menu Ask Nota. I'm gonna start with a quick overview of the platform and what's inside, and we will go into the details right after. In the middle, you will see a personalized welcome message with your name. Then the space to start the new chat or launch any question. There are two ways to interact: the chat for quick exploratory questions and the task for structured repeatable workflows, like using a template to summarize your weekly meetings, for example. Just below, you will find 4 suggested card prompts related to your industry. Now let's take a look at the left sidebar where you can navigate your past chats and tasks. Here you can start a new chat or access your saved task. Use the search bar to quickly find any conversation. Your previous chats are grouped by day and you can easily pin, rename or delete using the 3-dot menu. You can also expand or collapse the sidebar using the icon on the top. Then, before diving into the powerful features, let's start simple. You can use Ask Noota just like any AI chat tool by asking general questions. For example, give me a recipe for a chocolate cake. As you can see, it will give you helpful answers even without using your meeting data. But now, let's explore one of the most powerful features of Ask Noota, the Add Mention system, which helps you refine your questions with precision. When you type the Add symbol, a full drop-down menu appears. Let's say, for example, you don't remember when a decision was made. So in this case, you will tap Add, select the option Date, and you will click on the period of time that you are searching for. Let's see together. What decisions were made at date? I'm gonna select 30 days ago. On at, I'm gonna select folder test demo, confirm. And that's it. Nota gives you a clear summary of all the key points discussed during that time. And the best part is that every insight in Ask Noota is fully traceable. Each response includes the meeting title it came from, numbered timestamps like this, which links you directly to the exact moment that the topic was mentioned, and a footer that shows how many meetings were used to generate the answer. For example, 8 meetings mentioned. You can click on a meeting title or a timestamp to jump straight into the transcript, or click to the footer to explore all the related meetings at once. By combining natural language with structured filters, Ask Noota delivers answers that are not just smart, they are context-aware, specific and actionable. Now that you have seen how the chat works for a quick one-off question, let's talk about the other way to use Ask Noota. Tasks are great when you want to run the same type of analysis over and over, like summarizing your weekly meetings, identify blockers, or review interviews. Let me show you how to create one. For this, you will have 2 options. The first one is to click on this button of plus, and then you can start. Or the second one is going into the left side in the sidebar, the option task, and click on the button plus. Then you need to give to your task a title. In my case, I'm gonna put weekly sales team meeting summary, for example. Then you type your prompt. So create a summary of at in the folder sales, confirm, including decisions, blockers, and action items. Then you will find the option attachment and click on this button for attach any file if it's the case. If not, you just click on save. And so each task that you will create, it will appear here in the task library. Then whenever you want to run it, you just need to click on this button of run task, and it will appear automatically your prompt ready for use. You click on enter, and that's it. Here is the instructions that you give. Another good thing is that not always you have to start from the scratch. You can also explore our task library with templates ready to go, whether you work in sales, HR, product, or any other team. For this, you need to go again in the left side sidebar, click on task, select the menu Not a Task, and here you pick up the task that match better with your needs, and then click on the button Run Task. And that's it. Finally, if you just want to get the start really fast, right below the chat box you will see 4 smart cards with ready-to-use prompts tailored to your role. Just click and run. For the moment, we have seen how Ask Noota works with your meeting. But did you know you can also upload and analyze documents? Just click on the little paperclip icon here and upload your files. It works with PDFs and Word documents, and you can upload up to 50 documents at once. Once everything uploads, you can ask something like, find key difference between this report, or compare these documents with the most recent client feedback. Ask Noota will instantly cross-analyze your documents with your meetings and give you a clean and structured answer showing difference, patterns, or gaps. Let's say you are a recruiter. With Ask Noota, you can compare multiple CVs automatically, generate structured interview reports, and share insights with your team without rewriting everything manually. Let's see an example together. I'm gonna ask, compare these candidates using the scorecard from the backend developer job offer. And then I'm gonna attach the files that I want that Ask Noota use. Click on this button, click on my folder, and select all the documents that I want that they use. In this case, there are 7 CVs, the scorecard, and the job offer. I click on this button of open, they are charging, and then you click enter. Here is the answer. Noota took the 7 CVs, matches them with the scorecard, and deliver a clear comparison based on the job offer. It saves hours of manual work, keeps the process consistent, and makes it easier to decide who is the best fit. But remember, we just see an example for recruiters, but Ask Noota works for everyone. For sales teams, you can detect objections, pre-follow-ups instantly. For managers and team leaders, Ask Noota helps you to track process, identify blockers, improve visibility across your teams. No matter your role, Ask Noota helps you to go from meeting overload to smart decisions. Thank you so much for staying with me until the end of the video. We truly hope that you will love this new step as much as we do. Please feel free to contact us in our support channel if you have any question, and don't forget to follow all our social media platforms: LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. See you soon in Ask Noota. Ciao!